Hey, so just a quick video to talk through how we could set something like this up. So aside from your method of actually splitting this out into three different questions and actually having one grouped per each, there's one other method that I've thought of now. It's a bit of work setting it up, but at least it makes sure that you can actually keep everything within the one pick, group, and rank question. So sorry, I'm just going to bring back my one group. To do this, we would be using embedded data in the survey flow. So you'd need to make sure that your ranking question is a completely separate block from the questions, the follow-up questions that ask about these questions or about these choices that you've specified. So what we would do is I'm just going to go ahead and add a block and just move these two into there just to pretend that these two are asking relating to how we've ranked these ones. Then we would go into the survey flow. Go ahead and delete that. And after the block that actually has the pick, group, and rank question in it, I'm going to add below. I'm going to add a branch. And in this branch, I'm going to add a condition. And I'm basically just going to start working through all of the different options. So I'm going to say if question one, which is my pick, group, and rank, choice one. Now you're going to have 30 different choices, but we're going to say choice one rank is equal to 1. Then I want to assign them an embedded data and call this whatever you want, but I'm just going to call it 1. And then I'm going to specify my choice 1 value here. So just pretend this is the value. So if you're asking different things, you'd literally put in whatever text is here. So choice 1 might be a list of car types, for example. So in here you'll list your car type that 1 references. Then we would duplicate this and we would basically say if choice 2 rank is equal to 1, then this is going to be choice 2. We would do this for all 30 options. So basically you're specifying, okay, each person is only going to be presented one embedded data field called 1, depending on which option they ranked number 1, and then you have the value for the choice they ranked number 1. Then you would go ahead, once you have all 30 of those done, duplicate it again, but just do it a little bit different this time and say if the choice is equal to 2 this time, then 2 is equal to the value. So all in all, you're going to have your top 3. You're going to have 30 choices for 1, 30 choices for 2, and 30 for 3. So you're going to have 90 different branches with embedded data within them. It won't take too long if you use the duplicate option and just change out the values. But basically then you'll have one choice that's been assigned to the value 1, one to value 2, and one to value 3, depending on how they answer their questions. So then once you have those done, all you need to do is save the flow and go down to the question that you want to pipe the answer into, and then pipe in the embedded data field name instead. So if, for example, I want to ask about the one I ranked number 1, I go to pipe text, embedded data, and type in the embedded data field name. In this case, I've literally just called it 1. So I'm going to insert that, and that is just going to put in the value for field 1. I would then go ahead and just have all of the questions relating to field 1 here. Then I would create my second one, which is pipe text and field 2 this time. So I hope that answers your question. There are your two different methods. You can either do one for each page, or a question for each rank, or you can go down the route of using embedded data with a pipe text. So I hope that answers your question. Please let me know if you have any questions on this setup.